Hello everyone. On the occasion of World Youth Skills Day, I would like to speak few words. World Youth Skills Day celebrated every year on 15th July to make awareness about importance of technical vocational education training and the development of other important skills for both local and global economies. The world of work is changing you and other young people around the world and inspire young people to develop a passion for learning skills and pursuing excellence. Gaining skills provides the freedom to act independently and to make your own choices. Skills give you self reliance and build independence. The main aim of the day is to achieve better socio-economic conditions for today's youth in terms of challenges of unemployment and underemployment, and to recognize the strategic importance of equipping young people with skills for employment, decent works, and entrepreneurship, and to highlight the crucial role of skilled youth in addressing current and future global challenges. We believe skills change lives and give self reliance and build independence. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu Dubey and today I am going to speak on World Youth Skills Day. World Youth Skills Day is celebrated on 15th of July. Young people are almost three times more likely to be unemployed than adults and continuously exposed to lower quality of jobs, greater labor market inequalities, and longer and more insecure school to work transitions. In addition, women are more likely to be underemployed and underpaid and to undertake part-time jobs or work under temporary contracts. One reason for youth unemployment is structure and unemployment, a mismatch between the skills that workers in the economy can offer and the skills demanded of workers by employers. Structural employment affects all regions around the world and it impacts not only economies but also hampers the transition of equitable and inclusive societies envisaged in the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. Guys, do you know why do we celebrate World Youth Skills Day? In December 2014, the United Nations General Assembly adopted a resolution declaring 15 July as World Youth Skills Day. The goal is to achieve better socio-economic conditions for today's youth as a means for addressing the challenges of unemployment and underemployment. The theme for the 2021 World Youth Skills Day is Skills for Resilient Youth. It is estimated that 70% of the world's learners are affected by school closures across education levels currently. Respondents to a survey jointly collected by UNESCO, the International Labour Organization, and the World Bank reported that distance training has become the most common way of imparting skills with considerable difficulties regarding, among others, curricular adaptation and training and trainer preparedness, connectivity or assessment and certification processes. Prior to the current crisis, young people aged 15 to 24 were three times more likely than adults to be unemployed and often face a prolonged school to work transition period. In the conclusion, I would say youth are the backbone of the society, and this day aims at providing an excellent socio-economic environment for the youth to grow unmistakable. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Myself Mohammad Ahmed Ibrahim of class 9 from Lotus National School, Hyderabad campus. Today we are celebrating World Youth Skills Day 2021. I take this opportunity to speak about it. Skill is defined as a talent in a person which varies from person to person as it represents the capability to perform work in an extraordinary manner. By the United Nations Assembly in 2014, 15th of July was declared as World Youth Skills Day, and ever since it's being dedicated, supported and celebrated for its strategic importance of equipping young people for skills for employment, decent work, and entrepreneurship. The key role in youth for skills can be explained by a saying as it goes. In youth we learn, in age we understand. The more we are skilled, the more doors will be opened for our future. Experiences counts. However, a talented youth represents an even better opportunity. A few names that we should highlight today who have shown their skills in their work. Sindhuja Rajamaran became India's youngest CEO and 2D animation artist at the age of 14. Hilary Yip, at age 15, the world's youngest CEO. Now we may conclude two things that we learn from this day. Firstly, if we don't even try and think we will fail, then how will we ever proceed? If we take a step, then only we can move further to take another. Secondly, are we really even ever going to reach somewhere high, even after taking a few steps to our dreams? Well, this is an answer for our future to tell. Thank you.
My name is Kesai Kirtan. I am studying in 7th class, Lotus National School, Hyderabad. Today I am going to tell about World Youth Skills Day. In December 2014, the United Nations General Assembly adopted a resolution declaring 15th July as World Youth Skills Day. The goal is to achieve better socio-economic conditions for today's youth as a means of addressing the challenges of unemployment and underemployment. World Youth Skills Day 2021 will take place in a challenging context with the continuation of COVID-19 pandemic resulting in widespread disruption of the technical and vocational education and training sector. While vaccination rollouts offer some hope, the technical and vocational education and training still has a long road to recovery, especially in those countries which continue to be overwhelmed by the spread of the disease. During pre and post pandemic situation, I have been continuously trying to enhance my writing, drawing, speaking languages and reading skills. Thank you.
The success of nation always depends upon the success of its youth. The more importance we give to the development, the more competent will be our youth. I am Rakshita of Lotus National School studying in 8th class. Today I am going to tell you about the World Youth Skill Day 2021. World Youth Skill Day is celebrated on 15th of July every year to promote ability and skill in today's youth. World Youth Skill Day is declared by United Nations General Assembly on 2014 to focus attention and skill development in today's youth. The World Youth Skill Day is celebrated for equipping young people for skill for employment, decent work and entrepreneurship. This is a day to inspire youth to gain skill, provides the freedom to act independently and to make their own choices. Now let's get into the topic of World Youth Skill Day 2021. The theme for World Youth Skill Day 2021 features the series of talks and presentations and discussion on how the pandemic has impacted different sectors. COVID pandemic reached a scale that could hardly have been anticipated 1 year ago. While vaccination offer hope to bring situations under control in high-income countries, the major emerging countries' severe outbreaks overwhelm their health infrastructures. The total number of cases in the world are 18 crores 66 lakhs 18,097. In India, it is 3 crores 8 lakhs 37,202 cases now in India. World Youth Skill Day is celebrated for the upcoming youth to discuss and present their presentations on the particular theme. Thank you and happy World Youth Skill Day.